Good morning.
Morning. How can I help you?
I want to book some tickets for Mumbai
Sure. For which date?
for the 16th of this month.
How many tickets do you want?
I want 5 tickets.
Okay.
Please book the tickets for any evening train.
Okay.
It would be good if all are lower berths in 3rd AC.
Okay, ma'am. Let me check.
Sure.
There are 4 trains. The timing are 6:30 p.m., 8:30 p.m., 10:30 p.m. and 10:55 p.m. Which train do you prefer?
Please book the ticket for the train at 8:30 p.m.
Sure, ma'am. Please write all the details of all passengers on this paper. How would you like to pay?
I would like to pay cash.
Here are your tickets. Ma'am, I wish for your safe journey.
Thank you.